What's up, gang, and welcome to another episode of GNCRC. Today, guys, I'm going to tell you all about my new build. So this build is one that I've had all the parts for at least a month and a half, probably 2 months now. And this is for my hard part Dementor. This is the V1. Most of you guys are familiar with this. And I bought the additional parts so you can mount the electronics. First, I'm gonna start with the motors. Hadn't made my mind up yet. I think I'm gonna go with the RC all-wheel drive. This is the 180 motor and mount. I think I might go with that. I'm not really sure just as of yet. I even thought about the 370, but I think that'll be a little bit too large for this particular build. Possibly the Jacob motor. I'm not really sure just yet. I'm looking at the 180 as of right now, but I might go with the Jacob motor, the Jacob Special. And if I don't go with one of these, I'm gonna end up using this Benedict Arnold motor mounts. I do want to try an overdrive transmission at some point, maybe the HR transmission at some point. This is the Micro Komodo. And the mount. This is a possibility as well. The servo, I went with the NSDRC, the RS100, of course. This has been my go-to for my builds. The mount along with the horn. Shock setup, I went with the Injora. These are the black and gold ones. And these are the oil filled ones as well. And I'm going with the Injora links. Before I bought these, I didn't know you had to put them together. They won't be bad. We'll get them put together. These are the high clearance ones. These are the ones that the C10 and the Jeep use. I'm gonna end up using the Injora screw kit. I got a bunch of different screw kits. This is just the one I had handy when I pulled all this stuff out. I'll probably still end up going with my MB4 setup. Just as of now, because I'm going back to Spectrum pretty soon. Don't know when, but probably when I build this, I'll still end up doing the MB4. I'm gonna go with the Micro from Mini RC Planet. These are like really, really tiny. For my tire selection, I'm gonna either go with the Crawler Master All-Terrain. I know that's weird, but I saw Ben with these and they did really well after he broke them in. So I kind of want to go with a larger tire setup on this because I never do the larger tires. I want to get past not doing the larger tires. Or I might even go with the Pro X. I hadn't gotten around to trying these yet. These are the mini pins, but I'm possibly might go with a set of those. And I definitely want the smaller set. I don't want the larger set. What I'm going to use for this build is my Warthog. I'm really only going to be using the axles for the most part and the drive line. And I guess I'll be using that center plate as well. This is the Lizard, the first Lizard, which is a 2S one. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this one on this particular build or I'm gonna use it on a different build. I do have another Lizard Pro that I really want to put in this one, but I also have another Lizard Pro that I want to put in my TRX4. So we may, I don't know what we're gonna use this in. This is the older one, like I said, I only use the 2S. But once again, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in. If you guys have any suggestions on this build, what you think you would do versus what I would do, please put it in the comments. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.